Natasha, and I'm here today to talk to you about a study I conducted in Helidon Hills, looking at whether increasing urbanisation was having a negative effect on the native wildlife species in that area.
Every year in Queensland alone, thousands of hectares of valuable wildlife habitat is cleared, with one of the biggest causes being urbanisation. Environmental change caused by urbanisation can have a detrimental effect on wildlife, as it can lead to decreased food availability, pollution, reduced habitat, and increased competition or predation. Urban development in Helidon Hills is on the increase, which is why I conducted this study comparing the mammal capture rates between 2006 and 2016. The Helidon Hills are approximately halfway between Gatton and Toowoomba. Two properties, Hagedorn and Burkett, were used to conduct the trapping. 80 baited Elliott traps, 8 baited cage traps, and 15 pitfall traps were set up at each property, with Elliots arranged in 8 transects of 10 traps, with a cage at each, and pitfalls set up in 3 transects of 5 traps, as can be seen in these diagrams. These traps were checked every morning and captures were recorded. Upon completion of this study, comparison of capture success at Hagedorn and Burkett properties in 2006 and 2016 revealed no significant differences between years. There was a downward trend, as can be seen in this graph. However, a p-value generated in the analysis was 0.2256, which failed to meet the significance level set for this study, which was p of equal or less than 0.05.
This may be due to an ability for the wildlife in this area to adapt to the urban environment and utilise the resources which it can provide, resources such as food, water and shelter. Or, as suggested by Griffiths and Brooke, it may be because small mammals have a preference for inhabiting unburnt areas. So the properties immediately adjacent to my study sites may have been burnt more recently, and thus this may have resulted in immigration of small mammal species into the Hagedorn and Burkett properties, which would increase the species abundance and not indicate whether there was a population decline. So although my study was inconclusive and did not reveal any significant results, I still believe it was a worthwhile exercise and paved the way for further research. I recommend that more extensive studies over a longer period of time and over a broader area would be advantageous to determining whether there is a significant correlation between urbanisation and the negative effect